Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a MCAT study schedule. First, you need to honestly assess your current knowledge across all subjects to pinpoint your strengths and weaknesses. Next, set a realistic target MCAT score and choose a test date that allows ample preparation time. Finally, collect all your essential study materials, including textbooks, question banks, and practice exams, before you begin planning. Once you have your resources, structure your schedule by allocating specific blocks for content review and practice questions. Aim for a balanced approach, perhaps dedicating 60% to content and 40% to practice. Crucially, integrate full-length practice exams every 1 to 2 weeks to simulate test conditions. Remember to schedule regular breaks and dedicated review sessions to consolidate learning and avoid burnout. To maximize your study efficiency, prioritize high-yield topics that frequently appear on the MCAT, focusing your efforts where they matter most. When reviewing practice questions, don't just note the correct answer. Deeply understand why your initial choice was wrong. Implement spaced repetition techniques for key concepts and vocabulary to ensure long-term retention, making your study time more effective and lasting. As you progress, continuously adjust your study schedule based on your performance in practice exams and your evolving understanding of the material. Remember that maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including adequate sleep and nutritious meals, is just as vital as studying. It supports cognitive function and reduces stress. Also, stay hydrated anywhere with the O-Ala water bottle. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals to help you on your journey. Good luck with your MCAT preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.